What's up, guys? It's Mosquito here, and I am back with a video. This time, I'm going to uh, a tutorial how to make a YouTube logo, without using Photoshop or whatever. So let's begin. We first go. Never mind. Uh, you first go with continue with picture editor, and then you start create a new image. You make it the with 800 and height 800 and transparent yes. We do it okay. Now this is what it yeah, that's what you do. And yeah, that's all the video, just kidding. Then if you want, you can just press a letter if you want to do it just like I do. And then there's a font where you can choose what kind of font you can do. And to download this kind of font, you can just go on the font. I will link on the description. So yeah, and I'm going to choose for now on. I don't think I downloaded it, did I? I'm an idiot. I never mind, I didn't. So this is what I'm going to use, and I don't want the size to be bad. And I'm gonna set the size to battle. And then I'm going to edit this and pre-transform this. Wait, how do you pre-transform? You just do it like this, however you want your logo to be. So I'm going to do that size or that size. And then if you want, you can change your colors or something, but I'm going to keep it black because I know what I'm going to do. Then you can just go on Google image and just type whatever you want to put, like a background or something. And what I got was wait, let me show you. I don't think I can. This one, I think. And I don't think that's how you do it. I think I made a mistake. We'll continue back then. Just give me a second. Okay, we're back here, and I kind of made some mistakes. So if you want to transform, let's just do rasterize layer and click on pre-transform. There you go. So I'm gonna keep it like that. Yes, I'm going to apply the changes. Then you just find the photo from Google, a background. So what I downloaded was Polygon Texture, and I chose this one. So I go here, and you just layer and open images layer, and go to that wherever you saved your background. There you go. Then you do the same thing again. Just go and I think I made a bigger mistake again. No, never mind. Then you do it like this. Yeah. You do it like this, and then you just do this. That's all. Done. Image done. Just kidding. Then you're going to give me a second. I'm going. So I made some mistakes. I'm not good at making this kind of video. Please don't hate me. You do it free transform again and just transform it just like it was normal. No, wait. Oh, gosh. Free transform what was the size again. And then what you do, you go here, you click on this layer, wand tool, and click wherever is the M. Here's my M. Right click and click invert selection, and then go on the whatever polygon and press delete. Ta-da! Look at this. Amazing. So yeah, I think that's how you do it. This is going to be a problem that this thing is growing, so we're just going to ignore that. We're going to open again image layer and type whatever layer galaxy backgrounds you did. It doesn't matter. So no, kidding me. Free transform, you do it how much size is. I'm not going to use this because it sucks, but I'm going to change the logo. And then you just, yes, that's all the size. But give me. I made some mistakes, so we're just going to download another galaxy kind. So I type galaxy background, and then there's some backgrounds. Then you can download whatever you want. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to choose this one. Just save images and whatever. I don't care. And go back here and layer, open images layer. Type this one and bang. But I am going to retransform it a bit. And there you go. You have now a logo, except you can change the letter. So yeah, there you go, a logo that I made it so worse. Don't like it, do you? Then you're going to create a layer, new layer. And I think I'm going to mistake on here, but whatever. Then you just click on this thing. Do it like it, like it, like it, and like that, and you just do it box blur, and I click the world, do gasiation blur, and there you go, there's a logo. Great job, except I forgot to do something with the M. I wanted to edit it a bit, like some shadows, but that's going to be on you. So yeah, and then you just save. You do the quality 100. That's okay. Good for most photos. And you type it logo test rest. Okay, maybe test. That's better. And you type okay, logo test, and you can get it. Thanks to this guy, the free havoc that helped me to edit, because yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm done with this. I'm done. I'm not going to make any more worse videos. Give me idea what video to make. Smash like, subscribe, and see you next video.